Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change the time zone in n8n. Now, you might be wondering why changing the time zone is important. Well, whether you're managing a busy work schedule or simply aiming for seamless global synchronization, knowing how to adjust the time zone in your n8n setup is crucial for ensuring everything runs smoothly and on time. So let's get started and make this process as straightforward as possible. To begin with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're a fan of Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser. As long as you have internet access, you're good to go. Once you've got your browser open, go ahead and type in the URL for the official n8n website. As the home page loads up on your screen, you should notice the sign-in option prominently displayed in the upper right-hand corner. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry, just take a moment to browse around until you find it. Once located, click on the Sign In button, and it will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. If you find yourself visiting this page often, it might be a good idea to bookmark it for quicker access next time. Now that you're signed in to your n8n account, it's time to navigate to the n8n admin panel. Typically, after signing in, you should see a navigation menu guiding you to various sections of the platform. Look for the option that leads you to the admin panel and click on it. Think of the admin panel as the command center where you have the ability to manage all configurations. If you're new to this, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can easily find what you need for future adjustments. With full visibility of the dashboard, the next step is to locate the settings icon. This icon often resembles a gear and can usually be found along the upper navigation area or sometimes to the side. If you're unsure which icon it is, try hovering over each one, as many dashboards provide tooltips or labels for better identification. Clicking on the settings icon will open up a menu with multiple options for adjusting your workspace configurations. In the settings menu, there will be a section labeled Workspace. This area is where you will find various options to customize how n8n operates for you. Among these configurations, look for the option labeled Time Zone. When you click on this, it will reveal a list of available time zones. Imagine it as setting the time on a new appliance or device. Choose the time zone that matches your physical location or your preferred operating location. Once you've identified the correct time zone, click on it to select it. But don't stop there. It's crucial to remember to save your changes before exiting this area, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the menu. Click on it to ensure all your adjustments are locked in and no changes are lost. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your n8n time zone. Remember, keeping your time zone updated is vital for maintaining the accuracy of your workflows and ensuring that all scheduled and automated tasks execute at the right times. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to change the time zone in n8n. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update. Happy automating with n8n!